Hi guys, how you doing? My name is Crystal Miller. Welcome to my YouTube channel where you're going to learn tips and tricks to grow your online business. What is affiliate marketing? Affiliate marketing is the process of earning a commission by promoting someone else's product or service through a link that is connected with you. There are affiliate programs like Amazon Associates, ClickBank, and a whole bunch of others. What I love about affiliate marketing is you do not have to make a purchase if you don't want to, or you just don't have the funds at the moment. Also, everything is done for you. The product, the shipping, you don't have to be the expert, and you really don't have to sell the product. Once someone goes to your link and makes a purchase, you get a small commission of that purchase. You get a commission for promoting that product. It's a win-win for you and the company because now the company that you just promoted now has a customer that you just sent their way. And it's a win for you because you are earning money from that company. And you didn't have to come up with the idea. You didn't have to come up with the risk or the risk that's involved. You didn't have to be the expert. You didn't have to invest time or money. All you are doing is partnering up with that company. All you have to focus on is getting visitors and subscribers to start with. Once you reach your success level, you can go out and create your own products and services. Affiliate marketing is the best way to get started because you don't have to take any risk. I now invite you to go over to my site below, put your email in, and I'm going to share with you my number one recommendation that I've implemented into my business that follows this process that has allowed me to change my life, and this is the exact process that you guys can implement to get started and have success with affiliate marketing. So go ahead and click the link below. Also, subscribe and hit the bell so you don't miss out on my daily content. Bye for now.